Everyone, how are you all? I hope you were all fine and doing well. If you love cozy handmade and aesthetic home decor, then today's video is for you. We're exploring some of the most beautiful and unique crochet curtains and room decor ideas that can instantly transform any space into a warm and inviting sanctuary. Crochet is no longer just a traditional craft. Today it has become a major home decor trend because it's combined creativity, sustainability, and timeless beauty. Whether you are decorating a bedroom, living room, nursery, or even a small apartment, crochet pieces can add personality and charm without breaking the budget. Let's dive into these amazing crochet ideas. Bohemian style crochet curtains are one of the most hottest home decor trend right now. These curtains feature intricate lace pattern, tassels, and natural colors like cream, beige, and ivory. They allow soft sunlight to enter while creating a dreamy atmosphere in any room. Bring nature indoor with floral crochet curtain design, roses, daisies, sunflowers, leaf motifs. Create a fresh and cheerful look that work beautifully in kitchens and bedrooms. Colorful crochet curtains can instantly brighten a child's room. Rainbow pattern create a playful environment while adding a handmade touch that feels special and unique. Wall hanging are among the easiest way to decorate empty walls. Large crochet mandala, geometric pattern or texture design become stunning focal point that showcase craftsmanship and creativity. Matching crochet cushion covers can tie your entire room together. Mix different stitch patterns and colors to create a stylish and cozy seating area. Indoor plants are becoming increasingly popular, and crochet plant hangers provide the perfect way to display them. They save space while adding texture and elegance to your interior. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more inspiration, DIY ideas, and home decor trends. Hello everyone, how are you all?